When it comes to protecting the razor-sharp edges of your precious Japanese knives, the choice of cutting board material is crucial, and not all woods are created equal. The standard options are Aomori Hiba wood and walnut wood. Aomori Hiba, derived from cypress trees grown in Aomori prefecture of Japan, offers ideal surface for knives. Its tight grain and lack of resins prevent the wood from dulling your blades prematurely. Aomori Hiba has another great advantage. It is naturally antimicrobial. Plus, it smells amazing. Walnut is another excellent hardwood for cutting boards. Its closed grain structure doesn't dull knives as quickly as open-grained ones, such as oak or ash. Walnut is also very dense and wears evenly over time with simple care like periodic oiling. Materials like plastic or bamboo may seem convenient and cheap, but they have lots of downsides, and they are very difficult to sanitize. Even harder materials like stone or marble are the worst options for cutting surfaces, so stay away from them unless you want to have your knife chipped.